How to export data in Clickup. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to export data in Clickup. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Clickup using the link down video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, as you know, Clickup is a platform for creating design documents with other people. And as you can see, you can also export any files or any data you created so far. So for example, like me, I'm going to, export my data, not this, the list one right here, the list view. For example, I'm just going to export all information right here on my list. And what I'm going to do that is by clicking the customize button right here on the right. So you can see if I click that, there will be an export button right here on the end. Then if I click that, I will choose the file format I want for this data, and I can also choose the what type or what specific content I want to import. And for me, I'm just going to download the whole data. And after I click the file format and click download, it will start downloading as my setup. And after that, yeah, that's it. That's how you can import it. And if I open it, as you can see, my Excel will start loading. And yeah, all the data on my list is exported right here. And yeah, that's how you do it. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.